Hey gang, this is Burn Baby Burn Part 2. Uh, I didn't feel good enough to drag this whole assembly out to the shop, so I took my little camera out there and I shot some JPEGs. And I'm going to tell you what it's about. The first two pictures you should see are of an alcohol lamp. Remember? Burn, baby, burn. If you are working wax, doing lost wax casting, I know that you've seen that alcohol lamp. You've probably seen the one as a glass faceted globe with the adjustable alcohol lamp fitting screwed in. Yeah, you're heating your wax tool so you can move that wax around, creating your patterns. I know a guy who uses a heat gun. Yeah, it goes whirr. But you don't gotta buy denatured alcohol for it, I guess. Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah, uh-huh. Just plug it in. Whirr. Now, people are talking about they're not getting enough heat with propane and butane. Even butane oxygen or propane oxygen, they're just not getting the heat. Well, they don't have the calories. Those gases don't have the calories that other gases do. People complain about MAP. Oh, it's just not hot enough to make it worth the dirt. Methyl acetyl propane. It's got acetylene in it. I don't know whether they took propane and acetylene and somehow methylated them together or if that's a third whole component, but there's acetylene in it and it's dirty. And because it's not pure acetylene, you're not getting the calories. You want heat? Go straight to oxyacetylene. The regulators you see in those JPEGs, those are Smith two-stage fuel gas and oxygen regulators. I don't use one stage. I only use two-stage. The kind of work I do, have done, will do again, I have to have very, very precise control of my gas flow. You see that picture of the torch I hold up in this later on. That's the rosebud. Got tips that go down to 3/1000ths of an inch. And then you're running at 2 and 3 pounds on your oxygen and your acetylene, and you need that two-stage regulator. You see a kiln and a kiln controller, right? Get stuff hot. I hope this has been informative. If you have any questions, down below in the questions, comments, yeah. No, for you, no, for you it'd be over here. The comments, but the notifications. Later.